In this video, I will reveal the 6 small business ideas that are backed by data and proven to never fail. So, what's the definition of a successful small business? A successful small business is one that's able to sustain itself financially, provide a valuable product or service, and meet the needs of its customers. It should also have a clear vision and strategy for growth and development. Successful small businesses must also be able to adapt to changing market conditions, manage resources effectively, and create value for their customers. The definition of success for a small business may vary from one industry to another, but the common elements are financial stability, customer satisfaction, and innovation. A small business idea number 1: online tutoring services. Online tutoring services are an ideal business opportunity for small businesses. With the rise of technology, more students are looking for convenient and affordable ways to get help with their studies. By providing online tutoring services, small businesses can take advantage of this growing demand and offer a valuable service to students in need. With the help of the right tools and resources, online tutoring services have become an increasingly popular way to earn extra income while providing valuable guidance to those seeking assistance with their studies. It's a great opportunity for people to gain experience in teaching and mentoring, as well as aiding others in achieving their academic goals. A small business idea number 2 that never fail: food delivery services. Food delivery services have become increasingly popular over the years, and it's an excellent business opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to start their own small business. As a food delivery service, you would be responsible for transporting food from restaurants to customers' homes or offices. You would need to manage a fleet of vehicles, hire drivers, and ensure that orders are delivered on time. Additionally, you could also provide additional services such as catering or meal planning. With the right strategy and marketing plan in place, you can get your business up and running in no time. A small business idea number 3 that never fail according to research: freelance writing services. Freelance writing services are an excellent small business idea for entrepreneurs who want to make money from the comfort of their own home. As a freelance writer, you will be able to work with clients from all over the world, and you can choose to specialize in any area of writing that interests you. You can offer services such as blog posts, web content, press releases, technical documentation, and much more. With the right skills, knowledge, and experience, you can create a profitable freelance career and become a successful small business owner. Freelancing offers you the opportunity to gain valuable experience while working with different industries, learn new skills, and be your own boss. With careful planning, dedication, and artwork, you can build a successful business that allows you to maximize your potential and make your dreams come true. A small business idea number 4: social media management. Social media management is a great business idea for those looking to start their own small business. With the rise of social media, more and more businesses are looking for professionals to help manage their presence on social media platforms. As a social media manager, you will be responsible for creating content, managing accounts, responding to customer queries, and analyzing data. You can also offer other services such as creating campaigns or helping businesses with influencer marketing. With the right skills and knowledge, you can become a successful social media manager and earn money from it. A small business idea number 5. Home cleaning services. Starting a home cleaning services business can be a great way to make money and provide a much needed service to your local community. With the right tools and knowledge, you can create a successful business that provides quality cleaning services for residential and commercial customers. You will need to have the right equipment, establish efficient processes, and build relationships with clients. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your home cleaning services into a successful business. To build the number one digital asset online using just your email address and 15 to 30 minutes of work daily, therefore download the free book in the description below. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget the like and comments. Thanks for watching.